Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find USDT ERC20 wallet address on Binance. So to start, what you're going to do is open your Binance application and make sure that you're using the latest version of your Binance application. So what you're going to do here is tap on add funds or deposit. You can tap on any more option right here, scroll down and look for deposit. Now here you have to search for USDT, and then here you have to look for USDT ERC20. So basically you have to tap on this Ethereum ERC20. You can see it right here, and all you have to do is to click this one, and here it is. So your USDT ERC20 will appear, and all you have to do is to copy and paste this. So basically that's it. All you have to do is go to your Binance and then go to USDT. Once you tap USDT, you will see here the network. So all you have to do is tap on the ERC20 for the network. Now you can use it anywhere, especially for receiving and sending crypto here on Binance. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.